ReactJS course components. Let's see how can we create this. Inside the source folder, create a folder with name of component. Then create another file with header.js. Inside the header.js, create a function with the name of header and make sure your file name and function name case should be same. After that, inside the return, create a header tag with the header class name, then add h2 tag. This is header component. After that, export default your function. Save and go back to the app.js and import header from component header. Then add a tag of that component and save. Let's see the result. Now we can see here our header component included in our app. I hope you like this video. Until next video, goodbye.